Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Apex Auto, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting and luxurious, the 2025 Mercedes Brabus 600. This is where power meets refinement in a package that only Brabus can deliver. So, let's talk about what makes the Brabus 600 stand out. As you may know, Brabus is synonymous with taking already impressive Mercedes-Benz models and cranking everything up a few notches. The 2025 Brabus 600 is based on the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, but it's more than just a luxury sedan with a few performance tweaks. This is an absolute beast on the road. Under the hood, the Brabus 600 features a reworked 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. While the standard S-Class already packs a punch, Brabus has upped the ante to a staggering 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle for a car that's typically known for its elegance and comfort. This extra power translates into blistering acceleration, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just around 3.5 seconds. So, whether you're cruising down the Autobahn or darting through city traffic, you've got plenty of power on tap. But Brabus didn't just stop at the engine. The exterior of the 2025 Brabus 600 is an eye-catching mix of aggressive styling and luxurious touches. The body kit is designed to enhance aerodynamics while giving the car a more muscular appearance. Carbon fiber accents, a distinctive front grille, and larger air intakes all contribute to that unmistakable Brabus look. Plus, those custom Brabus wheels and sportier stance make this sedan feel more like a supercar. Moving inside, the interior is nothing short of spectacular. Brabus has elevated the cabin experience with premium leather upholstery, unique stitching patterns, and a level of customization that ensures every Brabus 600 is one of a kind. You'll find carbon fiber trim and Brabus logos subtly placed throughout the cabin, reminding you that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. The tech in the car mirrors that of the S-Class, so you're looking at top-tier infotainment, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge driver assistance systems. In terms of driving dynamics, the Brabus 600 delivers a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. The suspension has been tweaked for a firmer ride, allowing for better handling in corners while still maintaining the plush ride quality you'd expect from a high-end Mercedes. This car is not just about straight-line speed, it can carve up corners with surprising agility for a vehicle of its size. So, is the 2025 Mercedes Brabus 600 the ultimate blend of luxury and performance? We think so. With its enhanced power, striking design, and first-class interior, it offers an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're a fan of high-performance vehicles or someone who simply enjoys the finer things in life, the Brabus 600 is designed to impress. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Super Apex Auto for more in-depth reviews on the hottest cars hitting the streets. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Brabus 600. Would you choose it over other high-performance luxury sedans? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.